It's March 5th, 2012, Monday, and today's the first day that my friend and I, Ray, shoot our documentary for the Peoria Film Festival. We're trying to make the documentary about a close friend of both of us named Tommy. He's supposed to get out of the mental hospital today, and we just wanted to document his behavior after spending a year or so in a padded room.
Damn, girl. You're not naked under that, are you?
No comment. But from the breeze, I can tell you where that cloud is going.
Okay, well, we need to go get Tommy in like 5 minutes.
Is that the documentary camera?
It's one of them, yeah.
Is it waterproof?
It said so on the...
I can't sleep, at all. I'm supposed to meet Ray at Tommy's house in, 2 hours, and then from there we go straight to the hospital to pick him up. And then from there we go straight to the desert to film some B-roll of Tommy just smelling flowers or something. And that's it for today.
I wish you would have gone in and got it. You're already soaked.
Why did you do that? I didn't even get to test if it was actually waterproof.
Well, now you know.
You almost broke my glasses.
Almost.
Will you just get ready? Like you should have been 5 minutes ago so we can leave.
Make sure you put a towel on the car before you get in. Tommy!
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing? Could you point that down?
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Alright. I don't understand why they're discharging him in the condition he's in. He's better than when he first got here, but he still sporadically lashes out. So it's important that you guys take him straight home so he can recover in a familiar place. Okay, guys?
Oh, yeah, that works.
Alright. Take care.
You too, man.
What was he saying?
He was just going on about making sure you get plenty of vitamin C and whatnot. Orange juice and stuff.
Tommy, do you want to go straight home?
I'd prefer not. I think it'd be good for me to get out and film that documentary you wrote me about.
Okay, I'm gonna give you another camera like this, and I need you to be filming 24/7, just in case we catch anything.
Alrighty.
And there might be a storm coming, so let's turn our phones off just in case the weather alerts go off and distract us.
Okay. Is that fine with you, Tommy?
Pop the trunk. Good?
Yeah.
Oh, are you?
Is he gone?
He didn't even finish his orange juice. We told him what we were doing, and we told him how tight the schedule was.
We should have taken him home. We could have filmed the B-roll tomorrow.
Tommy!
Let's put the cameras away.
What? No! We need to find him and film the B-roll today.
B-roll's not that hard. We can do it tomorrow.
Ray, I swear to God.
Can we turn the cameras off? I doubt that your documentary could reasonably incorporate an hour of yelling.
Keep your camera up. Nobody in the audience wants to look at our shoes.
Why do you only care about the movie?
Are you kidding?
Do I look like I'm kidding?
Oh, you didn't say it right.
What? We wouldn't have this problem if we would have taken Tommy home.
You and I agreed that I was the director, okay? Me. Not you, not Tommy, not that fat chick at Dairy Queen, okay?
I'm sorry, man. just not getting hurt over a movie.
I don't want you to get hurt either, Ray. That's why you shouldn't turn off that camera.
Are you turning the cameras off?
Yeah, give me a sec.
Does this look like the face of someone who's kidding?